Hey everybody, we're back and our bird balls have temps out. Most of them are around 170 or 175. Got one that I know I'm gonna leave on for just a little bit longer because he wasn't quite there. Look how delicious these are. So, what are some other things that you like to grill? Some of these are nice and crispy because of the cheese that we have in them. I'm just gonna go ahead and take this little bird ball here and I'm gonna go down into the center of them and see, yep, he's at 175, 169. Yep, we are looking amazing. We're looking amazing. We're just getting all of our little bird balls off of the grill. Now tonight I'm going to use these in spaghetti and I'm also going to pack a lunch for my husband tomorrow. And I've enjoyed our time together making bird balls. You'll catch the plate up and the things I do with these on the shorts. Y'all have a good day.